curlies. Today I want to touch on a subject that I think is very important to us naturals, and that's if we should be using warm or cold water for our wash days. Should we use both? What's the difference? What are the benefits? So I'm going to be diving into that very shortly. For us curly hair naturals, we tend to take it very serious when it comes to our wash day routines. We want a stress-free, hassle-free, no wasting product-free, no wasting my time-free, guaranteed great wash day results. Before I go any further, just in case you may be wondering what this white thing is on my shoulder, I've been doing a full body workout each day, and apparently I pull the muscle in my shoulder and it hurts really bad, especially when I first get up in the morning. So that's what it is. It's just one of those medicated patches to put on. So yeah, for the last 4 or 5 years I think it's been since I've been natural, I've always washed my hair in warm water, and I've always rinsed my conditioner out with warm water as well. I think it was sometime last year that I came across an article, or it could have been a video, on what temperature we should be using to wash your hair in when it comes to our natural hair. So knowing my hair porosity, I started to rinse out my hair, my conditioners I should say, in cool water. And this is the reason why. So just to back up a little bit, the question is, as naturals, should we be using warm water or cool water when washing our natural hair? And the answer is actually both. So both warm and cool water provide very great benefits for our natural hair. Now, when to use cool or warm water makes the difference in our wash day. So let's go over some of the differences between using warm water and cool water and when we should be using them. So let's talk about when we should be using warm water. Warm water is to be used during the cleansing start of your wash day routine. This will be the shampoo and cleansing part of your wash day. Warm water elevates our hair cuticles, which allows for the shampoo and the conditioner to easily penetrate the hair. Not only does warm water open up the hair cuticles, but it also opens up the pores of your scalp. And this is to help remove dirt, oil, product buildup, and residue from your hair and your scalp. So if you think about it, it's the same as cleansing your face. Well, what's the first thing you do when you cleanse your face? You wet your face. With what? Warm water. And why? This allows the pores of your face to open up, so whatever cleanser or product you're using to cleanse your skin can really get into those pores and remove the dirt and oil. Now, the one thing that we should not be doing when it comes to the cleansing process of our hair is using hot water as opposed to warm water. When we're using hot water, extremely hot water, I know a lot of people like hot temperatures, but that's not good for our natural hair. That's going to dry out your hair. It can even cause damage, and over time it can also weaken your hair strands. So never use extremely hot water. Now on to cool water. And the question is, should we be using cool water or cold water to wash out our conditioners? I've seen a lot of naturals give different opinions about cool versus cold water. In my opinion, the water should be cool and not cold or extremely cold. The reason why I choose cool water as opposed to extremely cold water is because extreme cold water temperatures will actually flatten and close the hair cuticle. With cool water, it still allows some elevation of the hair cuticle, but it doesn't flatten it completely, because the next step of my wash day would be a leave-in and my stylers. And I don't want my hair cuticles completely closed so the product is sitting on top of my hair. So I do want to make sure that my hair cuticles are still slightly open to still receive at least those products. It's also important to remember that cool water is not a cleanser. I know there's a lot of information out there that says that cool water or using cool water or cold water to cleanse your hair is a great purifier or detoxifier. The fact of the matter is cold water does not dissolve dirt and grime and residue. And by washing your hair in that kind of temperature, it's only going to cause the dirt and the grime and oil to keep reattaching to your hair strands. Warm water actually does the opposite. It prevents the dirt and oil and grime and residue from reattaching to your hair strands. There are a lot of natural hair products out there that will specify on the back of the packaging whether you should rinse that product out in cool or warm water. But you just have to do what's best for your hair and your hair porosity. So the final question is, what are the benefits of rinsing your hair out in cool water? For me personally, when I rinse my hair out in cool water, I notice that my curl definition is a lot more defined. My hair is shinier, it feels stronger, my hair retains moisture better, and it also has helped to minimize the amount of frizz that my hair has. For my hair, the frizz is just not going to go away completely. There's still going to be a little frizziness there, but it's not as frizzy as it was when I was washing it out with warm water. So I'm doing a deep condition right now as to the reason I have this plastic baggie on top of my hair, so you can kind of see the definition and shine of my hair. This camera may not do it justice, so I'm just going to show you guys what my hair looks like, the definition, curl definition, the shine, just overall what my hair looks like after I rinse out the conditioner. again, just a little bit of a recap. Warm water, again, is to be used at the beginning of your wash day for the shampoo and cleansing process. Warm water opens up your cuticles and the pores on your scalp, which allow your products to penetrate your hair as well as open up and cleanse your pores in your scalp. And cool or cold water closes your hair cuticles, closes the pores on your scalp, and seals in your hair's moisture, giving your hair a nice shine and luster. So if you're one that's been using warm water forever to rinse out your conditioner, I challenge you to try using cool water. And let me know in the comments if you see an overall difference in the quality of your hair, the definition of your curls, the shine, luster, the frizz. I would really like to know your experience and thoughts about that. So that concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little informative video on what temperatures you should be using for your natural hair and when to use these temperatures. I hope this information helps to make your wash days going forward that much better. So again, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up because it does help my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that way you'll know when I drop a new video. And also share this video with others you think that may enjoy this content as well. Be safe, be blessed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.